Hi everyone, I'm Hor Wai Keat from Group C. In this video, me and my group members will make a presentation on our group project. First of all, the title of our project is to investigate the health and safety issues and challenges in Malaysia. And here are the group members for Group C. For our group project objectives is to carry out a survey on Malaysia students' perceptions on OSH. Then, we also investigate the societal and legal implications for health and safety issues. At the same time, we also relate a real-world case study to problems and issues related to health and safety that happen in Malaysia. For methodology, we have utilized Microsoft Forms to conduct a survey on students' view, understanding, and awareness of occupational safety and health. Based on the results of survey, we can conclude that majority of the respondents or the students were male students from UNITEN and were in the age of between 18 to 21 years old. Most of them understand the concept and purpose of OSH, rights, and responsibilities of employers and employees, based on the labor and OSH laws. Then, most of the students who have responded have the knowledge in danger, risk, and how to protect themselves. That's all from me, and I'll pass the presentation to Yong Wai Xiang.
Hi, I'm Yong Wai Xiang from Group Z. I'm going to present the part for Case Study 1, Occupational Health Services Management in Engineering Construction Industry. The introduction is, we still need to pay attention to workplace safety, especially in construction projects, and there are more fatal accidents in the construction sector than in the average industry. OSH refers to the effort to identify and control the hazards to ensure the safety and freedom from unacceptable risks. The problem is that the teachers are still using an old learning or training method, which includes old learning materials, a teacher-centered approach, lack of multimedia, limited equipment, and lack of construction projects for the training environment. The solution for this problem is using the industry-based learning method for OSH. Learning will be more effective with materials that are more relevant to domain of industry and also use multimedia devices as much as possible in the equipment, media, and environment components, and also use the existing environment such as civil engineering projects. We can conclude that the number of occupational incidents can be reduced through education and training. Teachers and lecturers with degree certificates and experience are required in the implementation process. We can see that the industry-based OSS learning model is more effective at improving learning outcomes across all domains. That's all from me. Thank you.
We are looking at the occupational health services management in the engineering manufacturing business for the case study 2. For the purpose of the case study introduction, it may stated simplify that as a product demand rise, so does the product production in order to keep up with the consumer demand. Indirectly, significant change in the product of goods and commodities have led to an increase in the public health and safety issues at the work throughout the years. Other than that, various studies indicate that occupational safety and health procedures are often give little to no attention. Human resources are available in the manufacturing industry and they need the safest working condition conceivable at their place of employment to boost output and profitable for the business. For the problem statement, the researchers problems claim for this study is that there has been lack of information acquisition and awareness building concerning the occupational safety and health. Second, indicate the management system development, coordination and assistance system with occupational safety and health. Finally, in effective workplace innovation, lean management and process for utilization technology that will harm employers in the industrial sector. For the solution, the finding also shows that the management system change will improve the occupational safety and health issue at the work if management makes firm political decision and implement workplace safety hazard control guidelines and organization strategic plan and organization safety management program, top management commitment and organization steering committee, and the availability of personal protective equipment. For the conclusion, the research identified and present the connection between the occupational safety and health affecting factors that are unique to the manufacturing sector. For this study instance, everyone who is directly or indirectly involved in the workplace is worried about occupational safety and health, according to the researcher. According to the studies, knowledge development and awareness creation, management system collaboration, and support system technology work, workplace innovation, and lean management all have an impact on productivity and well-being at the industry workplace.
Hi, good day. My name is Prasad Thandayuthapani. Today, I am representing my group to present on the challenges encountered in implementing the program. The first challenge we encountered was bad practices, attitudes, and behaviors in employers and employee. This is because the employer failed to follow rules and regulations, code of conduct or SOPs that are set and provided. Furthermore, the employees also failed to provide standard occupational health services. The employees were very ignorant of the health risk associated with the occupation of the employees. The second challenges we faced was difficulty in identifying and checking occupational disease, chemical, and poisoning. This is because the employers fail to provide a safety workplace for the employees, which is very crucial and the basic needs for an employee. Not only that, lack of occupational health doctors with high knowledge and experience. Most medical officers, they claim the employees fail to properly documented work histories and also fail to link symptoms to workplace exposure. Finally, the challenges that we have faced is lack of enforcement in Department of Safety and Health officers. This is because there's a lack of site visit, or we can say as a spot check, and also low manpower in the Department of Safety Health officers. The DOSH, which is also can be said as the Department of Safety Health Officers enforcement efforts, were very ineffective due to the shortage of the staff. Based on an observation, low frequency routine of site visits also due to the shortage of staffs. That's it. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nethaniah Amos Nathan. So I'll be representing my group to present on suggestion for possible challenges in the future. First of all, we need to look at the primary goals of why we focus on this thing is because first to be effective in overcoming the challenges, since challenges are unavoidable, and then to sustain is to overcome challenges. Other than that, to be productive in the long run, as challenges makes us more experienced and enduring, thereby more formidable as a whole. So first challenges we can look at is globalization of enterprises and markets, because we must be able to treat our global partners on equal footing through the development of universally acceptable good working practices. Number two, lack of resources could be key, because lack of compliance with laws and regulations would affect it. Hurdles in efficiently translating scientific research carried out either in their own countries or in rich nations into regulations that contribute to a working environment that is healthy and safe. Thirdly, not upholding regular healthy promotions, ensuring that people have equal opportunities and benefits in the workplace. The enforcement of practices that promote good working conditions help fight against discrimination and enhance gender equality. This is why it's important. Number four, environmental friendliness between consumers and business. Increase of hazardous materials that poses risk to both workers and environments. Other than that, we need to improve economics, workplace design, and organization, the handling of materials, and the utilization of local resources, as well as the capacity to provide training. So this will able to uh, avoid something that is not environmental friendly. Lastly, not ensuring the sharing of comprehensive knowledge within. This is important because we all must have a we must demonstrate a willingness to learn from one another by bringing added value to the workplace. That's all. Thank you.